Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, depending on where you guys are. I am Laurie. I think most of you guys know me, or girls. I don't want to say guys, but I use that. I'm cooking today as usual. I'm making something really yummy and simple, which are my two favorite things. As most of you already know, my kids have gone back to school, so I am enjoying my things. This is what I made today. I made oatmeal raisin cookies, although they don't look really good in the shade. They're really yummy. Yesterday I made the pumpkin ones. They were so good. They actually gone. My kids came home and ate them. I made mini pumpkin pies. I made apple fritters. No, I'm sorry, apple egg rolls. I made brownies because my kids love brownies. But that's already on the red. If you ever want brownie recipes, just go to my website, forktospoon.com. I have thousands of brownies and a spice cake. And I'm making another pie. And I'm making a big pie. But today I'm making something really yummy when my oldest comes back. All it is puff pastry. I'll show you in a second. Whipped cream and strawberries and some blueberries because blueberries are his favorite. So, you guys have probably seen, I can't rotate the phone. Puff pastry, I buy a lot of it. And I'm trying to make this. I'm making meatballs later, but I'm trying to make that in the air fryer, doesn't that look good? So I figured if they made it in the oven, I can make it in the air fryer. And I figured I'll give that to my son when he's home. Because all it looks like is puff pastry. I laid out puff pastry. I always cut with my pizza cutter because it's much easier. And you get cleaner cuts, as you will see, even though I'm doing one-handed. And you get really clean cuts. And then just brush it with some butter, although it's not melted anymore. And you get really easy. If you guys really like easy desserts, go to my website. I only do easy desserts, which pisses some people off, but I'm sorry. I work, I have kids. That's my life. So, forktospoon.com. If anyone wants to see the results, I will post it. If not, you guys aren't saying much, so I don't even know. So, anyways, but let me know. I'm going to wave to Michelle. It says Michelle is watching. Hi, how are you? How you live, I believe. Help me out. Where do you live? Hi, Michelle. So this is what I do. If you guys want, if you guys like my page, my son set it up that when I go live, you get an automatic thing. So it's Fork to Spoon on Facebook. You guys can probably figure that out. If not, I'll send you the link. But if you like to cook along all day with me, let me know. Just like my page. Pittsburgh. Hey, I live in Philadelphia. We actually went to Pittsburgh for tournaments, hockey tournaments. Great town. So that's it. But if you guys want, check out my page. Check out my recipes. They're all really easy baking. And I'm trying to do apple and pumpkin. I know a lot of you guys say I talk too much, but I'm new to this, so give me a break. But let me know if you want anything, and comment on this and let me know if you guys want anything else. And if you want to see any recipes, just put it down and I'll do it for you, I promise. I might not do it today or tomorrow because I have to go buy the stuff. But let me know.